Windows can't find the RPCSS Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. Don't let RPCSS Library slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the RPCSS library, the Remote Procedure Call RPC service core. It manages the localized Endpoint Mapper and DCOM infrastructure. It facilitates communication between localized processes on the same machine or across a network. Because it handles localized object activation and security, corruption will cause an immediate system-wide hang or a RPC Server Unavailable boot loop. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. RPCS is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the RPCSS library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Warning: RPCSS library. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing RPCSS library dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored RPCSS library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.